everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this video of logging in, I will be showing you how to recover Notion AI account password. So to begin the process, first thing is you need to open a Google browser. Click open new tab. There on the search bar you type in Notion.so and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of Notion. Once you're at the official web page, you need to click on login over here on the right side of your screen. Click that. Once you're at the login page, here you need to provide your email address. So for logging in, you need to provide your email address. But this video is about recovering the Notion AI account password. So click on forgot password over here. Click that. This will begin the recovery process. For the recovery, you need to provide your email address. Type in the email address, then click on send reset link. With that, Notion will send a link to your Gmail address that you have provided currently with the instruction or the further process for how you can recover your account. Click open a new tab on your browser and there you type in Gmail, open your Gmail account. There's the Notion reset password. Click upon that. Mail. Now here all you have to do is click on this link over here. Click that link. It will redirect you to the another web page where you will be able to provide a new password for your account. Now you type in the new password on the text box. Re-enter the same password as above on the below text box. Then click on set a password. Your password is all set. Click on OK. So with that, your password change process or the process to recover your Notion AI account is completed. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.